Welcome to the training video for the AutoLock medication cart. This cutting-edge equipment is designed to enhance the medication management process, improve workflow efficiency, and ensure patient safety with advanced security features.
This video will guide you through its proper use and maintenance. Let us take a look at the cart's main features. A security feature that helps prevent unauthorized access is the AutoLock timer, which locks the cart after a set amount of inactivity. Medications and supplies can be neatly stored in the modular drawers. The cart features a sealed lead-acid battery for longer runtime and an intelligent charging system. The Lima-inch double ball bearing casters facilitate easy movement of the cart in demanding work environments. These features streamline workflow, improve accuracy, and ensure compliance with safety and security protocols.
Several drawers can be used to store medications and supplies. There is a keypad to enter an access code to unlock the cart. And the secure key is used to lock the cart manually. The back of the cart has a rechargeable battery that provides power for several hours.
There are two ways to unlock the medication cart:
a keypad and a key. There is an option to input a predetermined user access code into the keypad. An access code is required. Contact the cart administrator to obtain an authorized access code. The access code consists of 4 digits. If you are authorized to have a key, reach out to the cart administrator. Use the keypad to enter your access code. If the proper code is entered, the cart will unlock, and it will be ready to use. Once the cart is unlocked, you can open the drawers by pulling the handles. All of the drawers must be closed after you have finished retrieving the medication. Press the secure key to lock the cart manually. As a cart user, it is extremely important to secure the cart after each use. Securing the cart prevents unauthorized access.
To operate the cart safely, follow these guidelines. Keep the cart away from water or moisture to prevent electrical hazards. Limit drawer weights to 35 pounds to avoid tipping. Do not use flammable cleaners to clean the cart, as this could result in a fire. Always unplug the spiral power cord before performing any maintenance, and never leave children unattended near the cart.
Before applying any cleaning agent, always test it in an inconspicuous area to ensure compatibility. Follow the cleaning product's recommended instructions, minimizing exposure time and solution amounts to prevent damage. Most disinfectant wipes and diluted cleaning solutions safe for patient care environments are also safe for Capsa healthcare medication cart. When cleaning, only use a soft cloth or manufacturer-approved wipes. An acceptable cleaning agent is soap and water, while unacceptable agents include non-diluted bleach and chemicals. And acetone.
This concludes our training on the medication cart. Thank you for your attention. You should now have a clear understanding of the medication cart's components, along with its proper usage, maintenance, and safety protocols. It is time for a quick quiz.